Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So about 2 weeks ago, I made a short where I said it's the first time that we're taking our children to the daycare. Now I must admit that short did extremely well. I think we gained like 1,500 views or something like that. But that's not the big thing. The big thing is there was a lot of people that actually commented because at the end of the video, I asked if there's any suggestions, they must please let us know. And so the idea today really is 2 weeks after, myself and my wife would like to just give some feedback, but actually go through the comments. I printed some of them and just maybe acknowledge if it's true or not, and what was our experience. Um, for the past 2 weeks. And my wife actually corrected me. She said it's not daycare, it's after school because our
It's
children are
aftercare.
aftercare. Yeah, but I'm sure you guys know what we mean. Okay, so the first comment, I just summarized it. It's not the whole comment, and I want to say thank you to those who actually commented. It's really appreciated. So the one person said it's not that bad if you vetted them beforehand. So I can actually agree. You did make a few calls or you asked around
Yes.
to check if it's legit.
Mm.
You did.
Yeah, and checking how it is and how the teachers is there. So yeah.
And you were happy
Mm.
because you spoke to a lot of people and everybody said they're happy. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So that's very true. Comment 100%. Thank you for that. Then shame this one, and I can actually relate to this. Was a lady. She said she had to leave a baby there after 8 weeks, and her son is now 49 years old. And she said that it still breaks her heart when she thinks about it. What's your view on that?
Yeah.
Can you think? Can you
Yes.
relate?
I can relate to that.
Yeah.
Because you used to have them close to you and now all of a sudden you need to leave them. And your what do you call it, your paths,
Yeah,
whatever.
you separate the
You're
paths.
separate,
Yeah.
yes. For that few hours. So it's
Yeah.
heartbreaking.
Yeah, and it just shows you, you always remember those first
The
days.
first days,
I
yes.
can remember the first day when they went to, what's the
Grade R
yeah, grade R
and grade
and
1.
grade 1. I remember those days still. So
Yeah.
I'm sure I can actually relate. 49 years later, and it still breaks her heart. That's shame. That's amazing. I can relate. I think
Yes.
that's definitely, absolutely. So thank you for that comment. The other comment was where this person said that was actually the hardest day of their lives, but the children enjoyed it.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's true.
I can actually, yeah, definitely.
It's hard for us as parents to leave them, but they don't even notice it because they enjoy themselves.
Yeah, so much.
Mm.
So yeah, absolutely, we can relate to that one. And the other comment was, and this actually stuck to me. That's very true. This person, again, thank you for this comment as well. It says it seems worse for us than for them. The insecurities are never theirs; it's ours.
Yeah,
And that's, I'm actually getting goosebumps when I think about that.
that's true.
For us, the whole day is we think about them, we worry, we look at our phones and stuff. The insecurity is with us,
Yes, it is.
not with them.
No,
They don't care. They just
don't.
they're
They
looking
play.
forward to it.
No.
So this was really
Yes.
an eye opener, and so I think from my side as a dad, obviously I think the moms are more involved with the children things, school things, and stuff like that. So I'm happy as long as I said to my wife, at least for the past 2 weeks, I couldn't see a difference in their behavior.
No.
That was the first thing that I would have picked up, and the second thing is they literally enjoy it. They're so dirty when they get home because they literally play the whole day
Yeah.
from 7 o'clock
Till
till 4
4.
o'clock in the afternoon when we go and pick them up. And they actually wake up easy in the mornings. They don't complain, and they pack their bags and they're ready to go. They literally enjoy it.
Yeah.
And it's winter now in South Africa. And my son, he's somewhere at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's -2 degrees, but he goes and plays outside. So yeah, that was my experience. Also, maybe just if we can pause there, let's give a quick background now why to this, what happened before this. So usually my wife would pick them up at on 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the afternoons, and then she'll come home with them. Now her job requires her to be at work till 4 o'clock, and that's why we had to get an aftercare for the children. But that also allows us to do more work, more focused work, because we know that we don't have to drive up and down to pick them up and stuff. So that's also a plus. And I think we missed a lot, because yeah. But I mean that's a good thing. What's your final thoughts? Are you happy? Is there anything that you can perhaps, so if there's somebody out there watching this video, and then we can maybe give them advice, is there anything that you would tell them?
It's just we as parents need to let go.
Mm.
Because it's like that one comment says, the insecurities is with
yeah.
us, not with them. They don't care where they are, as long as they can play, enjoy themselves.
Mm.
So we as parents should learn to just let go and stand back, let them be, and enjoy themselves. So yeah,
But that's
That's-
easier said than done.
yeah, it's easier said than done. But I think after 2 weeks now, we can actually
Yeah, it's
say
getting better every
getting
day.
easier every day. But still, you still sit there and you think by yourself,
Yeah.
are they okay?
Mm.
But yeah, it gets easy
Yeah.
as the time goes on. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, thank you for the video. If you're still here, thank you for the view. And I hope this can also give some other parents a good advice, good insights. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
our 2-week reflection on when we started our children at aftercare. So
Yeah.
all the best, guys. Have a good day, and we'll chat to you again. I'll see you in the next vlog. Lekker bly.
Bye.
Cheers.